we present you our Vitroceramic hob Vetro BC 1721. The electric hob that will improve and renovate your kitchen skills in the comfort of your own home. Have a safe, healthy meal with our Vitroceramic electric hob. No need to worry about the dangers of gas or charcoals in your dishes anymore, as the hob uses heat that is directly transferred from the burner zone. With its modern design, Vetro BC 1721 could also work harmoniously with your various kinds of flat bottom pans that you already own. You can even work faster with its dual heating zone, allowing you to use them at the same time. What's better than having a healthy meal for your family? This hob is equipped with a safety system that would notify you when the hob surface is still hot. Don't forget to clean your Vetro BC 1721. But always make sure that the surface has cooled down after using. You won't need to worry about any stubborn stains because you will be able to easily clean it off with the hob's simple but stylish design. Enjoy your delicious and healthy meal, Modena family!